there is a password and name.
No.
Chiwede.
Okay, but how does it appear? On the person's phone, you have to explain.
Now you show us.
So now what happens, and the person is going to receive 100,000 to 102,000.
So today, now we have just approved 10.
Yes, now we've just approved 10. The entire process is going to go on.
To be continuous.
Yes, it's going to be continuous. The payment is going to continue.
Yes.
Yes. So they're going to receive a message that you've received so much from the government of Uganda through Post Bank. And the reason is COVID Relief Fund. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Can we call the
Can now give me the names, at least one or two.
Some names that are there.
Honorable, that was MTN, right?
That was MTN.
We now have a photo.
We also have a
That was MTN. Yes. Okay, bring Airtel.
But we must call and confirm.
we'll call after.
I will do a random sampling.
Exactly.
Working on the computer,
I don't know.
Always sanitize, always tested.
Sanitizer. Sanitizer.
So this is a batch.
For Airtel.
So I click here.
Yes. Approve.
Here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Here, okay.
That's it. Good.
Then we shall write approve. Okay.
Bring it, okay? Do it. Do it. Okay. Okay.
Then I accept. And then
Yes, I will take it.
it was not equal. My batch.
I go to the MTN report for the minister to just a person to call. Let's go back to MTN.
Then you go to MTN. So it has gone.
It has gone. We want now to call.
Can we, whose number are we going to? You can use your number?
Is this yours?
Yes.
Did you test? Don't give the prime minister.
Let them give me my number.
You take away your
No, your phone.
COVID. Where's my phone? Can I have my phone?
They will know your number.
Which one should I?
That is Gulu. You send Gulu.
No, they have been disturbing me. 0753
191
191
428.
428.
It's called Oloya Godfrey.
I need to put him on speaker.
Yes, put on loudspeaker.
There is a mistake. Read for me again.
0753
0753
191
191
428.
428.
You want to put on loudspeaker?
Yes, loud. Very loud. These people want to record.
This is Airtel. Eh?
Yeah, that's Airtel.
Follow your answer. This man has not seen the message. And we told them to keep.
He has answered.
Yes, Oloya.
Yes.
This is the Prime Minister of Uganda.
Oh, you're welcome, Honorable Prime Minister.
Have you received the money?
I have received, madam.
Oh, congratulations. How much have you received?
Sorry?
How much have you received on your phone?
I have received a message that I have received 102,425 shillings, Uganda shillings.
The 2,425 shillings is for you, so that when you go to get the 100,000, will be the charge at the at the outlet. For you, you are supposed to get 100,000 intact.
Okay.
Thank you so much. What do you do? What do you do?
Sorry?
What do you do for a living?
I'm also a border rider, taxi operator. I just do so many things living.
Thank you.
How did the message
Yeah.
come? Ding, ding, ding.
Let's go to another one. Let's get another MTN line.
Yeah, 0776
0776
325
325
961.
961.
That is Apache. That was the first Ugandan to receive.
I'm telling you.
The first Ugandan is Oloya Joffrey from Gulu.
This man did not charge his phone.
This is off, eh?
0776 32. You know, I'm being disturbed by others, I think, who have received. 325
961.
961. The man's number is busy.
No, it's your number coming on your phone, which is interacting.
Yeah, the second that person was.
I'm suffering.
961,
That
that
one.
one.
What is 99?
I'm telling you.
We call another one? You bring another one? They have taken the
Another
computer.
one for MTN.
Do you have another? You give us as many numbers as possible. So
Problem, too many numbers are coming on.
too many numbers. Members are asking. They are trying to tell me they have got. This one is busy.
The number.
They are making the number busy now. I can't go through.
You try this, Dennis.
Okay.
0704.
This one is too busy. I think is a.
Excited, eh?
This one is 0704 195 644.
You have another MTN? Can you get us MTN?
Another one now.
Yeah. Another MTN?
Yes, we have.
Okay, she has still qualified.
You give me another one. This one is not a. Hello? Have you seen anything happen on your phone?
I've seen 102, 425 shillings.
What is your name?
I'm Dennis Okumu.
Dennis Okumu Ojok.
Yeah. Yes.
What do you do?
Me, I'm a farmer.
You are a farmer. How did you come to the You are a farmer. What else do you do? What else do you do?
When I'm in town, sometimes I ride the border.
You are a border rider. Okay. Thank you so much.
We call MTN now.
I want to get MTN. You get me.
779
779
582
582
426.
426.
What is the name?
This one can't go.
Your number.
The people are asking. I have not seen the message. This is the one?
No.
No, that's the one
I repeat it. Can I repeat it?
Yes, repeat.
0779
0779
582
582
426.
426.
again
These
later.
MTN
The telephone
people are
number you
sick
have
in
called
the
is not available
Let's
at the
try another
moment.
one.
Please try again
This
later.
one, his number is off. He did not charge.
He's hungry.
He forgot.
772
772
032
032
760.
760.
No, it's
No,
not
it's
there.
that one.
The number you have called is not available at the moment.
Is there a
Please
network
try again
problem?
later. The telephone number you have called is not
Let's try
available.
one last one.
Try that one now, the last one, try.
Yes. Okay. 776
776
325
325
961.
961.
Yeah, she had tried it before. That was funny. Loud.
Yeah.
What's the name?
People have gone now to MTN to collect money.
He's there, Dennis Otila. That's Dennis Otila. From Apache.
People are busy.
Yeah, man. Running to collect the money.
He's now telling people, I've got me, I've got mine.
The phone is busy.
He's on. He's on.
No.
No.
Hello?
Dennis. Dennis.
Hello? What is your name?
Otila Dennis.
Opira Dennis, this is the Prime Minister of Uganda calling to find out whether you have got any message on your phone.
I've received
You have received what?
100,000.
100 plus what?
I think there's some 2,000 for withdrawing it.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm in a party.
You are in Apache?
Yes.
Congratulations. Make sure you use that money for the intended purpose. Colleagues, I think that sample is enough. Some of you will be getting, I know we shall go through this exercise for quite some little time. But thank you so much. Colleagues, we are coming to the end of our exercise. On behalf of government, I want to thank you, the press, thank everybody, honorable ministers, the National Task Force, the President, for the work well done. I believe the 50% Ugandans are going to receive today, and the others will continue to receive as we go along. We shall tell you the deadline when we shall stop this exercise. Thank you so much.
Declare the exercise launched. It does not declare the exercise launched.